As you probably know, the flip turn in freestyle helps you change directions quickly without having to slow down. This is a beginner's guide on the fundamentals of a flip turn, and we will go over more advanced tips on a future video. We will do this flip turn tutorial in 3 steps. The first thing you need to know is that you need a good amount of air in your lungs to do the flip turn for 2 reasons. You will blow out bubbles through your nose and you will push off the wall and move a few meters without breathing. The first step is the flip. So before going to the wall, practice doing a flip turn in the middle of the pool. Take a good breath and pretend that you want to kiss your knees. So bury your head underwater while you bring your knees close to your chest. Remember that you need to blow bubbles through your nose while you're upside down, or else water will enter your nose. You can also use a nose clip to learn the movement, and that way you don't have to worry about many things at once. Also, to speed up the turn, use your arms to push you forward and then push the water down so you can speed up the turn. Do several front flips like this until you can do them in a straight line. Now, before your body flips completely, stretch yourself into a streamline. You will end face up. Do that a few times. Now, to finish the movement, twist your body after you are stretched out in a streamline so you end face down. Do that a few times so your body learns the movements. Step 2. The landing. The next thing you need to master is getting your feet to the wall in the correct position. The correct position is a few inches underwater in line with your body. If you push with your feet very close to the surface, you will aim down and you will push downwards. If your feet are too deep, you will aim up and you will push right up to the surface. So practice approaching the wall from the flags or from a few steps behind and flip when you see the line where the floor meets the wall. Don't push off yet. You are just practicing the landing. Step 3. The turn. Now that you have mastered the landing, it's time to move on to the turn. Since you will end facing up, you need to turn face down again. This is what you need to do. Push off in a streamline while you twist your torso slightly. This will put you in the right position to do freestyle again. It is possible to learn the flip turn in just 1 day. And Marianna is proof of that. She had never done a flip turn before, and after just 1 hour of practice, now she can. Just like her, you just need patience, practice, and maybe a nose clip? If you want to see more flip turn videos, check out this playlist here. See you there, swim fast!